Hey everyone, Ashley here, and this is the look we're going to be creating today using the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. These are the exact brushes I'm going to be using. I will link all the product details down below in the description. I'm first dipping into the color Rough with the Morphe V206 brush, applying this to the outer 1/3 of the lid, and then bringing it up above the crease and creating a V shape in the outer corner like so, and then I'm slowly sweeping it into the crease, bringing that all the way in, and then connecting it with the outer corner area, and then blending out all the edges to have a soft, seamless blend. Like so. Next, with the Morphe H205 brush, I'm using the color Naughty and applying this to the outer corner, a little bit below the crease here, and then I'm slowly bringing it into the crease, like in an arch shape above the lid, just following the natural contour of the eye, just to add some depth. I'm just placing this color on, not worrying about blending it. This brush just has a really fine defined tip, so I'm just using this to place it into the crease and outer corner like so, creating that little V shape in the outer corner. And then I'm going to grab the V206 brush again and start blending out the edges to create a seamless blend between the color Naughty and Rough, like so. I'm just maintaining that V shape in the outer corner as well. Next, with a flat shader brush from Morphe, this one doesn't have an exact name on it, I'm dipping into the color Shameless and applying this all over the lid. And I'm just slightly bringing it into the crease a little bit so there's no harsh lines. Just kind of diffusing the edges to have like a blown out appearance on the edges. Bring it all the way down to the lash line and bringing it up into the crease area here in the outer corner. Just kind of covering the whole lid with this. And then just using whatever's left on the brush to blend the edges. Next, with that flat shader brush again, I'm dipping into the color Filthy and applying that to the inner corner, sweeping that onto the lid here, and then doing the same thing on the lower lash line, and then softly blending all the edges just to bring a little bit of light into the inner corner. Sweeping it onto the lower lash line here. Next, dipping into the shade Rough again with that flat shader brush, applying it to the lower lash line, connecting the outer corner and inner corner shades. With the color Spicy in a Morphe V301 brush, I'm applying that to the inner corner down below, and then applying it as like liner to the upper lash line, making it thinner as you bring it in towards the inner corner. And then I'm creating a wing in the outer corner here, just keeping the end sharp and thin. Next, I'm adding a little bit of an inner corner wing with the Better Than Sex liner from Too Faced, blending that liner into the purple, adding some lashes and mascara, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the look. All the details are down below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.